Welcome you guys again to the Tasty as Backyard Cooking Show. Today I want to show you how to cook the best fried rice. This is my style. Lots of people cooking different style. I know that. This is one of the best. You can try it. What we need for this fried rice, all the spices. We have a black pepper, paprika, cinnamon, turmeric, salt, coriander powder, and oil. And also we have a 1 spoon of tomato paste, and of course you have a almond, sliced almond. You have a soy sauce, and you have a saffron. That's the best favorite. And you have a lots of different vegetable and also chicken thighs. And you have onions, ginger, and garlic. That's all we need for this fried rice. Let's get started. Pour your oil. And you put your chicken thigh. Just a couple of minutes. Put your all onions, garlic, ginger. And also added your tomato paste at the same time. That's big. We're cooking a big pot. We're sharing with the friends. Added all your spices. And sliced almond. And the saffron. Oh, smell beautiful. Look at the color. And added all your vegetables. And also don't forget to put your soy sauce. And after 15 minutes we'll be ready. And we will mix this one for the steamed rice. Now is a 15 minutes, it's past. It's already. And we have the rice as well, the boiling rice, steamed rice. We will mix this one together and just have a look. This is the result. Wow, so beautiful. Smell, wow. Okay, now mix the rice. Bring this one to the rice. No way, no way, tell me that it's no way. The smell, it's beautiful. Try this way, you not will be disappointed about that. Okay, taste it. Let's try this fried rice. That's beautiful. Wow, no way, that's beautiful. The taste is incredible. Try this one. All the flavor is going together. Little bit of pinch of spice as well. It's give you is nice taste. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel and thumbs up for more video. Actually, you press that button as a notification, you get update. And also this, it's all the time, always tasty as